Take a deep breath. This moment, right now, is your reset. You are not late. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be to begin again. Every sunrise does not ask who failed yesterday. It simply rises, and so can you. There will be days when your energy feels low, when the path looks unclear, and when silence feels heavier than noise. But remember this: growth is often quiet before it becomes powerful. You do not need permission to start. You do not need applause to continue. All you need is one decision to move forward, even if it is only one step. Success is not built in comfort. It is built in persistence. In the moments you choose discipline over distraction, in the moments you choose effort over excuses. There will be obstacles. There will be doubts. There will be voices telling you to stop. But those voices are not your destiny. They are just echoes of fear. And fear fades when courage speaks. Understand this clearly. You are stronger than you think, more capable than you believe, and more prepared than you realize. Every challenge is shaping you. Every setback is sharpening you. Every delay is teaching you patience. Nothing you face is wasted. Do not measure your progress by speed. Measure it by consistency. A small step today is greater than a perfect plan tomorrow. Look at the sky. It changes colors every evening, yet it never stops being the sky. You too can change, evolve, improve, without losing who you truly are. You are allowed to grow slowly. You are allowed to rest, but never convince yourself to quit. The world does not need another copy. It needs the original version of you, the version that keeps rising, even when no one is watching. Rise, even when no one is clapping. Rise, even when no one understands. Rise, because your journey is not for approval. It is for fulfillment. And one day, you will look back at this moment, this very decision to continue, and you will thank yourself. So lift your head, steady your breath, take that step. Not tomorrow, not someday. Today, rise again, and again, and again. Because the light you are searching for has always been within you.